Hi, Peter here from True North Marine. Thanks for coming to the channel. Today I want to talk about DSC radios, digital selective calling radios. Now, just before I get to that, if you have a marine radio on your boat, you do need to have a license for the radio. More importantly, if you're purchasing or you have a DSC radio on board your vessel, you'll need a radio license to obtain your Maritime Mobile Service Identity number. So don't leave that to the last minute, because the government office that issues the licenses can take up to 15 days to process a license application, which is displayed on their website. So if you need your license, just go to our webpage at truenorthmarine.com.au and we can organise that very quickly for you to get that process up and running. So now with DSC, Digital Selective Calling Radio, you'll see on the screen there that the radio is linked to a GPS, which is a very important part of the process. So most boats would have a GPS on board, and then the DSC radio would be linked to the GPS, so that when you transmit via your radio, your position is sent as well in a text format or digital format. That's a very important part of the process and a key safety factor when it comes to marine radios. So the advantages of DSC is, first of all, it's faster in response emergencies. It has clearer communication. There's no need to wait for channel 16 or channel 16 to be clear before you make a call or a distress call. And in search and rescue, teams get precise information immediately, especially if you're unable to speak or you're dealing with the emergency on board. Your radio is doing the work for you. So let's have a look and see how we get to the distress menu. So first of all, we need to press the menu button. That will bring up the DSC menu, and you can see we can make a call to an individual or group, all ships, distress, etc. So we'll just go down to distress and hit the enter button. So there's our nature of distress categories. So we'll select sinking. So we'll just scroll down to sinking, hit the enter. Now all we need to do is hit the distress button and then hold the distress button in for 5 seconds. And there we have the distress message sent and an acknowledgement received by a vessel that's able to assist us, and the process is in place now. So we go back to our listening channel, channel 16, then any communication between the disabled vessel, i.e. us, and the vessel that's able to assist us would be via voice transmission on channel 16. And that's it. That's your DSC component.